This is CompTIA Lab. We're going to configure NTFS permissions. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. There are two groups of users who access the computer in Office 1, which are called the group and night group. Each group has a corresponding folder on the computer. Day data and D drive night data. You have been asked to help configure appropriate access to each folder for each group. In this lab, your task is to do the following to both folders: D drive day data and D drive night data. We're going to turn off a permission inheritance. This will allow us to remove users from the folders access control list, and we're also going to remove the users group from the folders ACL, and we're also going to add the appropriate group and assign full control over the folder to the appropriate group. Do not change your other permissions. Okay, let's see. You have been asked to help configure appropriate access to each folder for each group. In this lab, your task is to do the following. Okay, turn off permission inheritance and add appropriate group or assign full control. Okay, folder to the appropriate group. Do not change any other permission assigned to other users of group. In this lab's tasks will require the use. Okay, I guess we get the idea of what to do. So what we're going to do here is to see, we want to open File Explorer and this PC. Scroll down, we'll go to D drive, and under D drive we want to locate day data. Go to properties, and D drive go to security and advanced. We want to disable this, convert inheritance. Let's remove. Go ahead and apply. Go ahead and click OK. Let's edit this and go ahead and add. Click the group. Click OK. Go ahead and allow. Go ahead and apply. So go ahead and click OK. Click OK. And we locate night data. So we right click on it. We want to go to properties. We want to locate security. And let's locate advanced. We want to go to users. And go ahead and disable inheritance, convert inheritance, and go back to users, remove, click apply, and then go ahead and click OK. This add, and here we're going to add night group, no space in between. Go ahead and check names, click OK. So go ahead and apply. I'm going to give this full control. Go ahead and apply. Click OK. And OK. Let's see what we're missing. Let's close this. Go ahead and scroll up and see how we do. And everything is correct. If you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you need a longer video that is self-explanatory, where all of my action and steps in this video are